Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to get images to use them in your projects. Same as the last video, I will show you free websites and paid ones. So we start with the free ones. The first website is called freepik.com. It's a famous website and it has so many images that you can use in Adobe Premiere and in a lot of other softwares like Photoshop, etc. We have the search box here, so all you have to do is type the images topic and you will get a lot of results. We have vectors, icons and photos. So you check the photos box to get only results for photos. Here we are. Most of the images here are for free, but you will find a few paid ones and they have this symbol on them. So this symbol means that you need to buy this image, but most of the images are for free. You click on the image, then you click on free download to download the image. We wait a little bit and the download starts. So you type the topic in the search box and you will get a lot of results. You select the image, then you click free download to download it. As you see here, we have more than 300 images to choose from. So that's it for this website. The second website is called Pixabay, and you saw this website in the videos lesson. And that is because this website offers both videos and images, so all you have to do is to choose images from here. And you type your topic in the search box. And here we are. You click on the image, you click free download, then you choose the size and click download. Check the I am not a robot box, then download again. And here we are. And if you want, you can donate to the website because they truly give us images for free. And if it wasn't for them, we would have to pay a lot of money to get these photos. And these are some very, very great photos. Now we move to the next website. It's called Unsplash. Same thing, we have the search box. You type your topic in it and you get a lot of results. For example, we will look for nature. And you choose the photos you like and you can download them. And to do that, you just click on the image and select on download free. The next website is PicJumbo. We have the categories right in here. You can choose from them whatever category you like. For example, we'll go for technology. Then you click on the image. Then you click on free download. We have the categories menu and the search box over there, so take your pick. You are familiar with the next website because we mentioned it in the videos lesson. And again, like the other site, it has both images and videos, but the link for images is different. Now we have the link for videos. And of course we have the search box and some categories in here. You search for what you want and you will get a lot of results. Click on the image, then click on free download. One more thing, there is a huge difference between free videos and paid ones, because the paid ones are much more better than the free ones, and they are taken in a very professional manner. So I recommend the paid ones if you do have the money, but that is not the case for images, because I have been downloading images for a long time, and I can tell you that there isn't much of a difference between the free and the paid images. They are almost the same, so I recommend that you save your money and go for the free ones since they are almost the same. If you have the money, download premium videos, but if you don't, it's okay, download the free ones. But for the images, I always recommend to download just the free ones because they are the same as the premium ones. There is not much of a difference. With that being said, we move to the paid website. The first website is photodune.net. It's for Enviro markets. You search for the topic you like. We have here the categories, and as you see, we have a lot of images to choose from. Each image has its own price. We have here $5, $9, $10, $9 again. You choose the image, then you buy it. The next website is Shutterstock. This website also has both images and videos. This is a huge website with more than 225 million items to download. And the same thing, you type what you're looking for in the search box. Here we are. You choose the image and you pay for it. The next website is Creative Market. You select photos, then you choose from this menu right here. For example, we have here education. You choose the topic, you get the image, and you click on the one you liked and you buy it. Then you pay for the image from here. For example, this image costs 14 bucks. The other website is iStock. It has both images and videos. So you choose photos and you type your topic in the search box and you choose the photo you like and you buy it, same as every other website. The last website is called alami.com. It has more than 145 million items to download. You type your topic in the search box. For example, we search for editing movie. This is just an example. And you get a lot of results. Then you choose your image and you buy it. So these are all of the websites. I will include a document containing all of these sites so that you can take a look at all of them. They are divided to types, free and paid. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.